Alright, this is a nice little feeder. It's automatic. In the bottom here is room for 3 D-cell alkaline batteries. It also has a USB cord. Comes with a nice braided cord. What you see here is the bottom part that packs separately. And then it just slips in place. And that's what divides the food up between 2 bowls that go in there. So this just goes right in here. This flips up like this, and the 2 bowls connect to these 2 slots. Alright, food comes out here into these 2 bowls. Bowls are not connected right now. You're showing it with the display on, and it has a capability up to 6 separate portion times. And so you do them by using these buttons here. This is the lock and unlock button. And you can see there's a picture of a lock. If I hold the button down, lock goes away. And then you can do the settings for the times. I have them set for every 2 hours from 4 a.m. And you do that, you just step through it. That's their portion size. Each one's a 64th of a cup. And then you got to step through all of them when you're done setting it. And once you've done that, then you go ahead and hit the lock button again. Lock button's on. Now they're all saved. And if you want a single portion, well, you can also set a recording. Say, come on kitties, here you go. And you do that by unlocking the button. So right now I'm going to, you can also do a manual portion. And you just hit this button here, and this thing will go around. It's supposed to go around.
I got this for the cat, and then I got this cat and this water, and he loves it. He has spent a lot of time right here today. We have the most hydrated cat, like the most affordable. Works great. I love it.
Time for food. Yuki McUkersons, Nobby McNubbertons, come eat.
Your turn.